Hey, it is Thursday, July 3rd, day before Independence Day for Americans. We had a wonderful week. Even though there was no trade today, Thursday, we had a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday trade. Yesterday's trade, as you can see here, it was 0.47, so it was a little $20 trade for my account. And we have this is kind of opposite because the month ended on Monday, so we had that trade for the last month. So the monthly report is actually 4.18, but our weekly report, since it includes Monday, is 5.01. So we hit past 5% this week. That is great. I'm loving it, especially with that big one on Tuesday that we got that was 3.73, was it? Anyway, the biggest one I've ever seen on this program. Let's get to, so yeah, I'm right at 44, almost 4,400, $1,500 profit. So I've definitely got hit that barrier there, or that mark. 35% profit so far. We had the small trade here yesterday. We bought at 33, 35, 41 and sold it at 33, 42, 14, and we made $20.57. So if we take my friend's account, he made $44.34, and if we divide it by his previous balance, which is 94.24, 66, and times 100, that's where you get your 0.47% for Wednesday's trade. So we did really good this week, knowing that they actually put out a notice that said we're not going to do any trading the week of the 4th because of how crazy the market gets. And I've looked at the market, and it did go crazy. Yesterday it was like up and down and up and down and up and down. Hard to trade. The one on Tuesday was so nice. In fact, it was a huge go. The gold went up almost the entire day, and then it went nice V shape. So that's a nice easy trading day. Yesterday was like boing, 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 boing. So it'd be kind of hard to trade that. But they did get some money for us, which is always a good thing. We're loving that. So with a 5%, it usually turns out like 4%. What is this? We got our calculator here. So yeah, his account now is 94.69. And remember, this is the net gain. So we gained 4% for the week. So the 5.01 turns into 4.00 something. So 4% this week. Very, very good week. And of course, if we times that by 4.5, or whatever the month is, what is this month? So it looks like for July, we have like 5 trading weeks. So this week plus 4 more. So this hopefully will be getting pretty close to 20% for the month. That'll be a great month. So hopefully everyone's in it that will take advantage of that 20% per month this month. So we're looking good. I'm enjoying seeing the progress on this stuff. Pretty amazing. So that's the week update. We're going to have a great 4th of July weekend. My brother's coming up, and his wife and his daughter. And we're going to go someplace that goes crazy for the 4th. It's somewhere in Wyoming. And it's like a war zone, all the fireworks that are going off. So we're going to have a good time. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend also. And we'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully we'll get a good trade on Monday. Sometimes they don't trade on Mondays, but we'll see. All right. Talk to you next week. Bye.